Hello and welcome to another Tuesday tip tutorial. I'm Claudia Orengo from heartmade.es and I record these super quick videos to show you how you can become a better designer and a faster designer. So in today's Tuesday tip, I want to continue with what I taught last week. So I'm going to link to last week's tutorial in which I show you how to delete all the clear pixels and just cut your illustration to the exact size. And now I'm going to show you how to turn this into an automation. If you don't know about the automations, this is a game changer. I 100% recommend you to create as many automations as you can. Every time you realize you've been repeating a task too many times, usually for me, more than 3 or 5, it's enough, then create an automation and let Photoshop do it automatically for you. So I'm going to teach you how to create an automation based on what I taught last week. But you can apply the same process to any automation you want, okay? So I'm gonna close, well, actually no, I'm gonna go back to the original document, and having the document open, let me close everything else just to clarify. We have one document open, and then I go to Window, Actions, and it opens this panel that we see here, okay? Then if you don't see it this way, it can be that you are seeing it in button mode. So if you are seeing it like this, go in colors and like lines, go to the menu and select button mode so that you see all these options. I find this more useful than the button mode. So now we're gonna go here to the menu and say new action, and we can name it. This is important so that you remember what this is about. So I'm gonna call it trim tutorial because I already have one that it's about trimming, but that way I will know. This is the trim tutorial, okay? Now, we have the document here. We have the trim tutorial and we have this icon in red that says we are recording. Don't worry if it takes time. It's not recording everything you like the time that's passing. It's only recording the steps and the clicks that you are taking. So I'm not clicking anything. It's not recording anything. Now I want to go to record the trim action. So I'm going to go to image, trim, say okay. Now it's trimmed. And as you can see, if we go to trim tutorial, let me close things because, well, we are here, okay? So it says trim tutorial and now it added trim. And inside trim, it saved the settings. So it recorded this. Now the other thing I want to do is save this. So I'm gonna click Command Save to save it in the same document. So that way I don't have a copy of the other document because I don't need the big one. It says save, and then I'm gonna close it. So go here. It looks like it disappeared, but we are still recording. So you need to go to Windows, Actions again, bring the panel. You see it says close and it's still recording. Now we wanna pause this recording. So stop this. Now this recording, this action, it's recorded now. Now, to use it, let's go to, you have a couple of options. You can have all the files you want open, or you can tell the automation to start from a folder. In this case, we're gonna use a few of these illustrations, not all of them, because otherwise it's gonna take forever. But let's take these ones, for example. So I'm gonna drag them and open them in Photoshop. Now I have them all here, and I'm gonna go to File, Automate, Batch. From here, by default, it's going to select the last one I recorded, so we're fine. But if you cannot find it, just open the drop down and you'll find it here. The source, I'm going to select Open Files for now. And if I don't want to use the save action that I have included in this recording, I could check here, override, and select a folder of mine. But in this case, I won't. I will leave it as is, even though this folder it's not the correct one. It's not gonna matter because I have save inside my automation. So I'm gonna click OK, and it will very quickly start doing them all. Done. Everything disappeared. As you can see, this was super fast. And then we can go to my folder and see them now perfectly cut. Now the same happens with the folder. So if you don't have anything open, you can go to File, Automate, Batch, and select the theme tutorial, and then the source, instead of open files, it will tell folder, choose, you will choose the folder, and everything else, you click OK, and it will happen the automation. I hope you find this useful. I hope you start using automation. Remember, I use them all the time for things that I repeat too many times, and too many times for me, it's 3 or 5 times. For you, maybe it's 20 or 100, whatever it is. But I recommend you to start creating automations, because even if it saves you 1 minute today, it can save a minute every day for a month, and that's 30 minutes. So yeah, think of it long term. Start using automations as soon as possible. Let me know in the comments what you think about this video, and I'll see you next week. Bye.